Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to GGFam FoodCraze. Today we're diving into a Filipino comfort dish, chicken Arroz Caldo. Can't wait to show you this delicious recipe. Here's what you'll need. Chicken, I chose breast part only. Rice, I used jasmine. Hard-boiled eggs. Garlic, ginger, onions, chopped into small pieces. Turmeric for better taste and color. And fish sauce or patties. Ready? Let's cook up something amazing! To start, grab a pot with enough space to hold all your ingredients. Make sure the pot is big enough to avoid any spills. Heat it over medium heat and add a generous amount of oil. Let the oil get hot for a few moments. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped onions. You'll want to saute the onions for a few minutes until they become translucent and slightly golden. Stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly and don't burn. Sauteing the onions releases a wonderful aroma that forms the base of our delicious Arroz Caldo. After the onions are sauteed, it's time to add the chopped ginger and garlic. Make sure both are chopped into small pieces to evenly distribute their flavors. Salt the ginger and garlic with the onions for a few minutes. Keep stirring so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot or burn. You'll know they're ready when they become fragrant and softened. Now it's time to add the chicken. I prefer using chicken breast for this recipe, but you can use any part you like. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and mix everything together. Let the chicken cook for about 3 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so that all the pieces cook evenly. The goal is to lightly brown the chicken and let it soak up the flavors of the onions, ginger, and garlic. Next, grab your turmeric. It adds great flavor and a lovely yellow color. Add about a teaspoon, or more if you prefer. Turmeric also helps eliminate the chicken smell. Mix well and cook. Now it's time to add the rice into the pot. Make sure to mix well. Next, pour in enough water to cover all the ingredients in the pot. This will allow the rice to cook and absorb all the rich flavors. Cover the pot and let it come to a boil. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to GGFam FoodCraze for more delicious recipes. While waiting, remember to stir occasionally to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the bottom. This also helps to evenly cook the rice. As the mixture begins to boil, you'll notice a wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. After a few minutes of boiling, it's time to add the chicken cube. This will enhance the overall taste of the dish, giving it a more robust and savory flavor. Make sure to mix it well until it completely dissolves into the broth. Let it continue boiling for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally. Now, it's time to season your Arroz Caldo to perfection. Begin by adding fish sauce or patties to the pot. The amount you use depends on how salty you like your dish, so start with a little and taste as you go. Fish sauce not only adds saltiness, but also brings a unique umami flavor that enhances the overall taste of the soup. Stir well to ensure it's evenly distributed throughout the dish. Next, take your ground black pepper and sprinkle it into the pot. Black pepper adds a subtle heat and depth to the flavor profile, complementing the other ingredients beautifully. Feel free to adjust the amount based on your preference for spiciness. Stir the pot once more to mix the pepper evenly. After letting the pot boil for a few more minutes, your chicken Arroz Caldo is ready. The rice has absorbed all the flavors, and the broth has thickened to a perfect comforting consistency.